And obviously, like I said, Life OK has done a good journey. I was short of inspiration, so I go to Indigo. I catch up with one-time boss, always mentor, and nowadays friends. Ekta Kapoor, thank you so much for giving us Ek Thi Nayika. Please join us. Guys, a big round of applause. And to all the Nayikas, thank you so much, and we're going to have you on stage soon once Ekta and Vishal have a few announcements to make. And Tanuj is going to tell us if Konkona is the Dayan or Nayika.
First, I want to thank Life OK for this and these beautiful ladies who are taking part in our series. और नायक होता है, नायिका होती है, और एक सबसे बड़ी नायिका वो है एकता कपूर, मेडिशियन, हमारी महानायिका, जिसका एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. आई थिंक शी इज सो इनोवेटिव, शी इज अ जीनियस. I have worked with so many producers. I haven't seen an innovative and a genius producer like Ekta. And it's such a brilliant idea. Thanks, Ekta. ना तुम भी मेरी तारीफ कर सकती हो जब तुम्हारे पास माइक आएगा. पर सच में I want to embarrass you. और फिल्म के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे अभी. और अभी आपने हमारा प्रोमो देखा, हमारे और गाने भी अब रिलीज होने वाले हैं. और बहुत मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट फिल्म है. और फर्स्ट टाइम एक सुपरनैचुरल हॉरर जॉनर में मैंने कोशिश की है फिल्म बनाने की. मेरे दोस्त कनन अय्यर जिन्होंने डायरेक्ट की है और मैंने लिखी है. और एक और बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट है इसका, कोंकणा के फादर, उनकी शॉर्ट स्टोरी और उनके स्क्रीन प्ले पे ये फिल्म है, तो इसलिए हम लोगों के लिए और ज़्यादा स्पेशल फिल्म है. बाकी हम गाने और वो सब के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. एकता.
I have so many people to thank you. I can't even start. जब मैंने अजीत को फ़ोन किया था, I mean I know Ajit because he was first working at Balaji. He set up Love, Sex और धोखा, Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. A lot of our big films were set up by Ajit. Then he went up and did some super work on Sony, and then he was heading Life OK, and I went to him. He says he comes to me for inspiration. I actually go to him for inspiration. So we spoke, and this was an idea that came. I had a long-term dream to work with Vishal sir. And I can't tell you how good it feels to work with such a talented, I mean, as a director, he's great. As a producer, he's even greater. He listens to everyone. And when it comes to doing his work, it's impeccable. There is not 1% of dishonesty in his work. And I'm so proud, sir, honored to be working with you. Tanuj, the doyen of Twitter. Doyen can have many meanings. And one of the most unbelievable CEOs I worked with. But before anything else, I want to thank my 8 Mahanayikas. To actually go back to call all of them and have them all in 1 second say yes. From Sakshi to Smriti to Shweta, Amna, Kritika, Pooja, Molly, I mean Ankita, each one of them didn't take more than a second to say yes to me. And I have to say, we've planned it this way. So the stories are going to go like Ankita from Maharashtra. There is going to be Kritika from Chandigarh. There's going to be Shweta Tiwari from Bihar. There is going to be Amna Sharif from Lucknow. Pooja Gaur from Delhi. Molly Ganguly from Kolkata. Sakshi Tanwar from Rajasthan. And Smriti Irani from Gujarat. So all 8 girls who are 8 superstars in 8 different regions will represent their regions. And I have to tell you, each one of them has made me feel so, so loved. Girls, I love you all, and I hope you continue shining as the brightest stars on television. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ajit.
So, Vishal, I think we've assumed everybody's seen the trailer of the film. Should we see the trailer? And I thought you had some special announcement today.
Yeah, let's see the trailer first.
Okay. I think Ekta has something.
Vishal sir.
अब बहुत पेशोपेश था, बहुत मुश्किल थी कि क्या आप लोगों को पेश किया जाए। तो एकता का आइडिया था कि इस फिल्म में एक गाना है जो कि मेरा बहुत ही फेवरेट गाना, मुझे लगता है बहुत सालों बाद मुझसे कुछ ऐसी चीज़ बन गई है जिसके लिए मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ़ख्र महसूस करता हूँ मैं। एक गुलजार साहब ने गाना लिखा था बहुत साल पहले जो कि मेरा बड़ा फेवरेट गाना था कि मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है वो भिजवा दो, सावन के कुछ भीगे भीगे दिन रखे हैं और मेरे ख़त में लिपटी रात पड़ी है वो रात भिजवा दो। तो वो एक बड़ी मैच्योर्ड एक मैरिड लोगों का एक मैच्योर्ड रोमांस का एक्सप्रेशन था। इसमें एक गुलजार साहब से मेरी बहुत दिनों से एक दरख्वास्त थी कि उस तरह का गाना मैं करना चाहता था। तो उनकी एक नज़्म थी कि मुझको इतने से काम पे रख लो, जब भी सीने में झूलता लॉकेट उल्टा हो जाए तो मैं अपने हाथों से सीधा करता रहूं उसको। तो इस तरह के छोटे छोटे से काम मांगता रहा आशिक उसमें। तो इसमें एक लड़की के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो उन्होंने जो एक्सप्रेशन दिए हैं वो गाना मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। फर्स्ट टाइम अगेंस्ट विशेज ऑफ एवरीवन that me and Ekta decided we want to share this song with you over here.
And the first look of the poster, which I think we broke out today. Can we have the Nayikas on
Yeah,
stage,
can we
please?
request you?
All
of you
my 5 girls.
हम चीज हैं बड़े काम की यारम, हमें काम पे रख लो कभी यारम। हम चीज हैं बड़े काम की यारम। हम सूरज से पहले जगाएंगे और अखबार की सब सुर्खियां हम गुनगुनाएंगे। पेश करेंगे गर्म चाय भी, कोई खबर आए ना पसंद तो एंड बदल देंगे। खुली जमाई पर हम बजाएं चुटकियां, धूप ना तुमको लगे खोल देंगे छतरियां। हम चीज है बड़े काम की यारम, हमें काम पे रख लो कभी यारम, हम चीज है बड़े काम की यारम.
Okay, we start with Q&A session right now. So over to you.
So before the Q&As, I think just on behalf of Ekta and I wanted to thank some people who have really worked very hard in the little time we gave them. So the programming and marketing team at Life OK, thank you very much for putting this together, as well as the content and marketing team at Balaji. You guys have been fabulous to put this together in less than a month's time. Thank you very much, guys. You guys can cheer for yourselves. And also Perfect Relations and Parul for putting together this today. Thank you very much. And we'll take some questions. You can have it for anybody. I still have that question for Tanuj. Tanuj, Konkona, Dayan hai, Naika hai. Last question is from me.
I can't hear you. See, it's folklore. I mean, if I do research, it means that I'm trying to understand. The folklore is almost embedded in our psychology. From childhood, I've heard the folklore of Dayans. I mean, I did a little bit of reading of various Indian folklores, but clearly the intention is not to present this as any kind of reality. It is fiction, it is entertainment, and at every given point of time, we constantly endorse that it's not true.
एकता आपकी नायिकाओं में 2 नायिका मिसिंग है, वो बताएंगे कहाँ है आज?
जी, एक पार्लियामेंट में है और बेचारी वहाँ से मुझे constantly phone. She tried her best, but she couldn't make it. And I told her, please don't leave the parliament. We need good politicians out there. And एक साक्षी जी is on her way. और एक अंकिता जो है वो हमारे लिए ही शूट करी, एक थी डायन की शूट के लिए, which is telecasting on 9th. So if we get her out of there, we won't have her telecast. So that's the scene. हाँ. You think I'm going to do that? It's weekends. Every weekend you'll get to see a new Diane, and I think it's the best part about this thing is you're actually creating the atmosphere of film for a film. None of the horror that you see on television will be the one like the film, and most importantly, you can never get enough of the Dianes.
Good evening. My question is to Mr. Vishal Bharadwaj. It looks like, I mean, from face value.
Where are you speaking from?
Hi, I'm
Yeah.
speaking from here.
Yeah.
From face value, it looks like you and Ekta come from different school of sensibilities. So how is it coming together with her, especially for a TV promotional event? Did you get to know how strong she is in television content? And how is it been working on this promotional activity for you especially?
Don't you think these different sensibilities make a deadly cocktail? Yeah, because I think as far as the film is concerned, हम लोगों की sensibilities, we knew what kind of film we are going to make. So there was no confusion in that. And जहाँ तक promotion का सवाल है, I think this is a brilliant stroke by Ekta. और ये film को बहुत अच्छे से promote करने वाला है. और again, I am thankful to all the stars who are participating in it.
देखिए एक नॉर्थ अगर आप बोलेंगे तो यू कैन से नॉर्थ इंडिया, बट साउथ में डेफिनेटली डायन होती है, लेकिन वो हमारी फिल्में नहीं देखेंगी और ना ही उनके ऑडियंसेस देखेंगे. उनकी डायन की कहानी एक थी, डायन तमिल वर्जन के लिए हम बनाएंगे.
My question goes to Ekta ji. I want to ask that you just said it. We just come to know that this film is based on the short scripts written by Konkana's father. So don't you guys think that Konkana is getting more, much hype out of it? I mean, amongst all in the film.
Okay, I'm going to take this question and then I'm going to expect Vishal sir to take it. Konkona, I saw the film a few days ago and I think I have newfound respect for Konkona. She's one of the most unbelievable actresses. But when you see the movie, you will realize that all three women are as diabolic, as sinister, and as edgy and interesting as Konkona. In fact, Vishal sir is the kind of person who that if tomorrow, even if his own family members in the movie will get equal footage. I think the moral of the person should never be questioned if it is of somebody of this kind of repute. I think, Vishal sir, you take it from here.
Yeah, and when we wrote the script, Konkona was not there. We did our casting once the script was done. So this is it.
Ekta, hi. Just one question. The title Ek Thi Dayan, have there been any allegations of misogyny? You know, right now it's a very sensitive time, so.
I never get this one, because I feel the more you try to accentuate things which are folklore, you're trying to bring no attention to something. I mean, the biggest issues here is psychology, upbringing in our country, beliefs and mental beliefs. I am of the opinion when you take folklore of a country, I mean, do we say when America makes vampire films that they are in any way promoting superstition? It's their folklore. They make vampire movies. This is our folklore. We make our movies. At no point of time should we be questioned also of misogyny, because I can give you various examples, and then you can tomorrow, if you look at a glass and you try to find a stain, and then you say, oh my God, look at the stain, the glass is dirty, then of course you'll always be, because it's becoming now there's a certain kind of wave to actually blame the industry, cinema, for various crimes that happen in society. Why not blame upbringing, lack of laws, and lack of law implementation? I think these various reasons are the reasons why there is any kind of misogyny or any kind of thinking that is wrong. Not a folklore film, for God's sake.
And just to add, if you see all the 8 stories on television, you will know our stand on this. That we are building on the folklore, and each story comes from a part of the country.
And in any story, Ajit and I were very, very firm that we are going to put out various templates in the story saying, like for example, Smriti did not want to do a story where there was a real dance. There are going to be various elements in it to say how our society takes a folklore and twists it for their own benefit at times. So we'll try our best to see that the folklore maintains its entertainment value and a little bit of message goes through every episode.
Ekta, hi, here in center. Hi. A while back you said that you can never get enough of Dians. So, is there already a sequel in planning since we cannot get enough of Dians? And secondly, who according to you makes for the sexiest Dian that you probably cannot ever get off?
Okay. First part of the question, you can never get enough of Dians. Is a sequel being planned? You know what? We're hoping to give you your fill with the film. It's like the final Dian will actually get you your dose for another 4 years, 5 years. After that, we'll think of something else. But as far as sequel goes, why not have some male Dians in them? As far as the sexiest Dian, I don't think, with the 5 year, I don't think anyone else stands competition. I mean, Naikas. So I think the Dians lose when you see these women. Thank you. None of them are Dians. They are Naikas fighting the Dians, guys.
The story is about Naikas. Ek thi Naika. So I think you're missing that. So in every state, every city, there's going to be a Naika who's going to fight with the Dian. So obviously, as the moral of the story is, अच्छाई जीतती है, बुराई हारती है. So that's what's going to happen.
एकता, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आप एक थी नायिका के नरेशन किया है और फिल्म का इतना इम्पोर्टेंट लुक भी दिखाया, लेकिन जो हीरो है वो नजर नहीं आ रहे आज.
क्योंकि ये नायिका की स्टोरी है, तो हीरो का क्या काम है?
इसीलिए नदारत कर दिया.
हीरो शूटिंग कर रहा है बर्लिन में और अभी आई थिंक पटियाला में है. उसको बेचारे को हमने प्रोमो शूट करवाया है. वो आएगा फाइनल एपिसोड में और उसको बैनर्स में भी देख सकते हैं. और आप अगर उसको इतना देखना चाहते हो तो पिक्चर की टिकट खरीदिए, थिएटर में जाइए, उसे देख लीजिए.
One second, Ekta. Before in the film theaters, you can see him on the channel.
Yes, I said final episode mein he's coming. And by the way, we're going to have cameos of every actor of the film in the shows. So there is going to be Vishal sir who's going to start and make his television appearance in the very first story. Big round of applause for that. Come on, guys. We're going to see acting for the first time by Vishal Bhardwaj.
विशाल जी आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है। जिस
जी।
तरह से फिल्म की डिपेंडेंसी एक सीरीज पे बढ़ रही है, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आने वाले समय में फिल्म अपनी शिनाख्त खो देगी और हमें भी तलाश करना पड़ेगा एक थी फिल्म?
अरे बड़ा अच्छा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है आपका यार। एक थी फिल्म, एक था डायरेक्टर, कुछ थी ऑडियंस। पर मुझे लग रहा है कि फिल्म को, ये दोनों मीडियम अलग अलग हैं और ये दोनों कभी अपनी पहचान नहीं खोने वाले हैं। दोनों की अपनी कमिटेड ऑडियंस है। फिल्म में हमको घरों से निकाल के लेके आना पड़ता है और सीरियल घर में अवेलेबल होता है। उसके लिए भी अगर वो अच्छा है तभी घर वाले बैठ के देखते हैं, उसमें भी इतना कंपटीशन है। तो इसलिए दोनों अलग अलग मीडियम में कभी ये एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड करेंगे हमेशा, मगर कभी खत्म नहीं होंगे।
इनफैक्ट इफ आई कैन ऐड विशाल सर, हमने लास्ट 5 years का जब भी देखा है कि आई थिंक बोथ द मीडिया एक्चुअली बिल्ड ऑन ईच अदर। सो आई थिंक टेलीविजन नीड्स फिल्म्स एंड फिल्म्स नीड्स टेलीविजन। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ हैप्पी मैरिज एंड आई थिंक एकता इज एट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस हैप्पी मैरिज।
I didn't get you again. The best part of Bollywood. The best part of Bollywood is nowadays you can get to make the films you want to make. The worst part of Bollywood is everybody wants to be a part of the 100 crore club. Not everyone wants to be a part of the good films club. So that I think is the worst part of Bollywood.
एकता, हाय। पर्दे के पीछे रहने वाली एकता, जब पहली बार सोचा आपने कि आप मतलब फिल्म का प्रमोशन करेंगे इस तरीके से, तो आप भी एक्टिंग कर रही हैं, तो क्या कुछ होगा कुछ इसमें, मतलब किसी एपिसोड में आप भी दिखाई देने वाली है ना?
ये डिसाइडेड नहीं है।
नहीं, मैंने तो ये लीक कर दिया है।
आई थिंक मेरी परफॉर्मेंस देखने के बाद अजीत मेरे क्लिपिंग्स निकाल देगा। ये मेरी, आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट। और anyone who's seen me act knows that I am the most terrible actress you can find on the face of this earth. And I think all the TV actresses, if they see my scene, they'll come and start laughing at me because I can never after that criticize anyone's acting again. So please do not ever expect me to act because I'll be bad at it.
But Ekta, the 200 people witness to the fact that you're going to be on the show, right?
Okay, you might have a blink and miss cameo of mine standing behind a tree. I don't mind playing a tree in this. As long as I don't have dialogues, I can stand there like this.
No, it's a part of the contract that Ekta will make her acting debut with us.
I am coming in a small cameo at one of the episodes, but I'm going to take my suit from cue from Vishalji. Vishalji will first show his acting histrionics, then I will go in for mine.
हाँ ज्योति।
ट्विटर पे बताएंगे।
कोंकणा सेन शर्मा नायिका जरूर है, क्या वो डायन है वो आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद मालूम पड़ेगा।
Come on, Tanuj.
Put on Twitter.
We expected an answer. Okay, Ekta, so I'll put this one question back which I have gotten all the interviews so far on this show. Someone very nicely compared saying कि if there was a casting coup in Bollywood, all the Khans would be together. This show is like the casting coup for television. So you said 15 seconds, but tell us how did you manage it? And I want to hear it from you and a couple of the Nayikas.
I have to tell you, it's going. I first called up Kritika. I said, Kritika, I have a show and I want to get you guys on. Basically, what show? I said, I need 4 days of yours. It's just a promotional trip for exam. Boss, just tell me, I'm on. It took me that much time. I put my phone down. I tried to get in touch with Miss Tiwari, whose phone was off. After 4 days, I called you up to do this thing. Before I could complete my steps, you should not tell me. You should ask me. Just, I'm on. Then I called up Molly. I called up Amna. Amna, when I spoke to after so long, she and I laughed about old times and immediately she said yes. Molly, I called up and Molly was like, I'm doing it before you say yes. Every girl said yes. Then I went to the channel and I wanted to come to last. And I said, who else do you think is a Mahanayika in my team? And they said, you guys, have you forgotten? You have launched one of our biggest stars, Pooja Gaur. So I said, oh my God. She of course became Pratigya. She became a big star with Pratigya. So I called up Pooja and instantly I got a yes. Then came Smriti and Sakshi. Sakshi I called up, I told her on the phone, ye hai, wo hai. Ek some brother on. And you know that Neetu Jallad, I put her as a creative head on the show because she had to get Sakshi's days from Bade Achhe Lagte. So that was done. And then I called up in the parliament. She just told me, superstition promote kar rahe hain? I said, nahi. Folklore kar rahe hain. She said, she told me, मुझे डांस वांस नहीं कराएंगे ना because मेरा एक केस वेस चल रहा है. So I said, नहीं कुछ नहीं. मैं रात को fly करूँगी from the parliament and I shoot all night with you. And that's what she has done. She is going to be shooting with me, attending the parliament in the day, flying in the night, shooting all night, going back in the day, attending the parliament. If all our politicians have this kind of loyalty, I think we will be in a much better position. And I must say, each one of those girls didn't take more than 5 seconds to say yes. I have to go back to saying I had been a part of all their careers. But they've become stars in their own right. Shweta has her own show, she's doing superbly well. Molly is doing outstandingly well. Amna has done such a big show on Sony. We have Kritika who's rocking it. And we also have Pooja, the Pratigya queen. I'm amazed at the warmth they showed towards me. I was just a part of their beginning of their journey and I'm touched, honored, I can't say anything more. Thank you girls again.
अजीत, मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि लाइव होगा तो इससे कितना बूम मिलेगा? इससे कितना बूम मिलेगा?
मैंने बताया आपको कि हर एक इंसान की जिंदगी में एक ऐसा पड़ाव आता है जहाँ पे यू फील कि you've done enough और अब अगला डोज ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन तो खुद से नहीं आ सकता. तो ऐसे समय में 2 ही 3 लोग हैं जिनके पास मैं जाता हूँ. एक उसमें से एकता है. तो ऑब्वियसली मैं वो बूम सोच के गया था उनके पास, बट मैंने कहा था एकता आपके बिना चैनल आगे कैसे बढ़ेगा, और उन्होंने ये बहुत ही नया आइडिया दिया. तो वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, बट आई थिंक आई एम प्राउड ऑफ दिस बियॉन्ड द रेंज. इस शो से हम टेलीविजन कंटेंट और मूवी पार्टनरशिप में एक नया पड़ाव फिर से हम एस्टैब्लिश करेंगे. दैट्स समथिंग वी विल वेरी प्राउड ऑफ. तो रेटिंग्स के साथ साथ हमें लगता है कि ये एक बहुत ही क्रिएटिव मार्केटिंग और कंटेंट मार्केटिंग में एक नया पड़ाव है. एंड दैट्स आई थिंक व्हाट वी आर मोस्ट प्राउड ऑफ. इनफैक्ट हमने और कुछ बात नहीं किया, हमने केवल कहा कि शो करते हैं. वी डिडंट हैव एनी नरेशंस, वी डिडंट हैव एनी कमर्शियल डिस्कशंस, वी जस्ट सेड लेट्स डू इट.
I think Molly already showed it. This is for her. Yeah, for me, I'm associating with Ekta almost after 4 or 5 years. So it's a great feeling. मेरे लिए बालाजी फैमिली की तरह है, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी करियर की शुरुआत वहाँ से की थी. So it's wonderful.
Same here, क्योंकि हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं it's like a school for us. मैंने भी शुरुआत की है बालाजी से. So जब हम मिले थे, हम लोग प्रोमो शूट कर रहे थे, तो ऐसा लगा कि it's like a
family reunion sort of a thing. Yeah.
So we like different classrooms, but the school is same. So we have that kind of a belonging, and it's very exciting. You feel nice, you feel at home.
आप लोगों को डांस से कितना डर लगता है? अभी इस तरह का कोई जो कि आप लोगों को डर लगा?
I am the very scary spirit. मुझे तो बहुत डर लगता है.
मैं तो बहुत डरती हूँ. मैं हॉरर फिल्म देखने से ही बहुत डरती हूँ. मतलब मैं ऐसे करके देखती हूँ, इतनी डरती हूँ. नहीं हुआ नहीं है तो भी डरती हूँ. डरती हूँ कि कभी ऐसा ना हो.
इस बार में क्या कहेंगे? पहली बार ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है कि स्मॉल स्क्रीन पे एक बड़ी फिल्म का प्रमोशन किया जा रहा है. सीरीज
I think it's wonderful. It's a wonderful marketing strategy, and something like that we can only expect from Ekta.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you need a creative mind like Ekta to think beyond
and to get all the people
together.
For a show, I think only she can.
बहुत टाइम है.
लुक बताइए, सेंटर रखूं ऐसे कुछ भी? ओके चलिए।
सेंटर में देखिए, अब ये बताइए क्या रेडी आप एक नायिका बनने के लिए?
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली रेडी हूँ। मैं पंजाब से आई हूँ और मैं बिल्कुल रेडी हूँ। आई एम रेडी टू फेस द डायन।
अच्छा, अगर जानना चाहिए कभी डायन से क्या पाला पड़ा या डर लगा कभी?
नहीं, कभी पाला तो नहीं पड़ा है थैंकफुली। अभी पड़ेगा पहली बार, बट सुना है, स्टोरी तो सबने सुनी है, इसलिए सब लोग जानते हैं इस कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में कि डायन होती क्या है। हम सबने सुना है उसकी अलग अलग चीज़ें, उसकी चोटी और उस सब के बारे में हमने सुना है। तो सामना कैसा होता है वो देखना पड़ेगा। जैसे वैसे तो डायन काफ़ी खूबसूरत होती हैं, उनका मतलब वो दे वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ह्यूमन बींग्स, बट वो वेरी गुड लुकिंग पीपल, बट वो होती डायन है। तो आई थिंक दिमाग से उनके, क्योंकि क्या चल रहा होगा कुछ पता ही नहीं है।
यहाँ पर आपका पाला पड़ने वाला है डायन से,
जी।
तरह की तैयारी है, क्या कुछ करने वाले हैं?
मैं कुछ लेके आई हूँ, मेरे पास कुछ सीक्रेट वेपन्स है जो आप अंदर देखेंगे, वो निकाल के आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू किल द डायन। ये पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि किसी मूवी के लिए ऐसा एक टीवी सीरीज बनाया गया है प्रमोट करने के लिए, विच इज़ ग्रेट। उसमें हमें भी इतने इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट पे काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है। जब मैंने पहली बार ही प्रोमो देखा था फिल्म का तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था, एंड नाउ आई एम एसोसिएटेड विद इट, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, आई एम ऑल सेट टू किल द डायन, ब्रिंग इट ऑन।
Thank you.
Yeah.
One question for Women's Day
Yeah.
is what do you think what should be there to change the society towards women?
It's not the society that has to be, yeah, exactly, you said it yourself, it's the attitude. I think to begin with, let's forget about attitude towards women, let's start changing our attitude towards fellow human beings for starters, and then we'll get to human beings, women.
अरे उसके में अभी
हाँ वो तो
आराम से।
पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है टीवी पे भी ये हो रहा है, तो क्या कुछ कहेंगे?
देखिए, एकता मैजिशियन है, जो होता है वो पहली बार एकता शुरू करती है और वो एकता उसका पायनियर होती है। तो शी इज द मैजिशियन, आई एम जस्ट हर असिस्टेंट, शी इज द मैजिशियन।
आई एम हिज असिस्टेंट। मेरी जिंदगी में एक ड्रीम था विशाल भारद्वाज जी के साथ काम करने का, जो पूरा हुआ। लाइफ ओके इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोफिलिक चैनल्स आजकल, उस पर एक कुछ करना था। तो 2 ड्रीम्स एक साथ पूरी होने जा रही हैं। मेरे दर्शकों का, फिल्म दर्शकों का आशीर्वाद चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
अच्छा, एक बार जानना चाहिए, कभी डायन से आपका पाला पड़ा या कभी आज यहाँ
डायन कहानियाँ सुनने को बहुत मिली है बचपन से, पाला पड़ा नहीं। आई थिंक डायन मुझसे थोड़ा डरती है।
सर आप कुछ क्वेश्चन
what do you think what should be done to change the attitude?
The attitude of women should be done more internally than externally. We need to actually endorse these issues, not outside but in our houses. We write something else on Twitter, Facebook, and do something else in our house. We make the discrimination very obvious in our home, but outside when we go out, we actually make people believe that we are very, very equal of sorts. That double standard is almost a prerequisite of most of us. That has to change.
चलिए,
आराम से गए, आराम से। जस्ट 1 मिनट। वो दादा बंद करो ना, एक मिनट दादा, चलो चालू कर दो आप।
साइलेंस।
Madam, about this show, a little about this show and your interest.
Okay, this show, for the first time on Indian television, we are coming with a show which is specially for the promotion of a movie which is called Ek Thi Dayan, and the show is called Ek Thi Nayika. Here we'll have 8 episodes, 8 Mahanayikas, and each of them will be, given 1 episode, and you will see the basic concept is good versus bad.
A good one question more about Women's Day. आपको क्या लगता है महिलाओं के प्रति समाज का जो एटीट्यूड है उसे चेंज करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
देखिए, उसे चेंज करने के लिए बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम अपने आप से ही शुरू कर सकते हैं, हमारे अपने घर से ही शुरू कर सकते हैं. हम सीधा समाज पे ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते, हर एक के घर से वो चीज़ शुरू होनी चाहिए. सो आई थिंक इट शुड ऑल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आवर ओन हाउसेस एंड hopefully it will all slowly and gradually change. Thank you so much, guys.
I think this is a very unusual combination. पहले हमने ऐसा नहीं देखे है कि एक थी नायिका का television series launched along with एक थी डायन का film, and I think it's a very unique concept. So really in films and television we'll see this happening together for the first time, and I'm really excited because all the more power to our film, and I'm looking forward to watching एक थी नायिका as well. देखिए टेलीविजन और फिल्म तो वैसे भी अलग ही मीडियम है, तो they are different. I don't think it's fair to really compare because television has its own pros and cons. Films have their own issues and their own pros and cons. But I think both are very powerful medium, which is the most important thing today. मैं कोई हॉरर फिल्म नहीं, फिलहाल तो एक ही डायन है. I think one is a lot for right now. I like this genre very much. I'm drawn to it personally because I also kind of believe in everything. So I'm really excited about एक ही डायन. I hope that the audience also accepts it. Women's Day आ रहा है. But unless every day women are respected and treated with justice and humanity and equality, there's no point having one day Women's Day. Thank you.